Hi, this is Prasant Mehta. I'm working as a divisional head for Otsuka Pharmaceutical India Private Limited. Specifically, I'm dealing with clinical nutrition. When I talk about Otsuka, Otsuka is first Japanese organization dealing with clinical nutrition in India. Watch me live on Gapsule event on 5th November between 3 to 4 p.m. When I talk about Gapsule, so Gapsule is first its kind of series which facilitate the discussion between pharmaceutical industry and healthcare industry. As we know, pharmaceutical sales representative is playing very important pivotal role in discussing and providing information to healthcare professionals. However, post-COVID scenario has been changed and many of the traditional practices has been challenged and many of the traditional things has been changed. So still we believe that it should be a continuous process where information can be shared, exchanged between both the industries. Simultaneously, pharmaceutical marketers are also at the crossroad because many of the practices which has been challenged needs to be changed and new innovative solutions needs to be created for the marketing perspective. That's where I believe Gapsule play a very important role and it's allowed this kind of discussion between both the industries. So watch me live on 5th November between 3 to 4 p.m. and let's have a fruitful discussion. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Prasenjit Dey, the marketing head for Dr. Reddy's Nutrition, India and the emerging markets. Watch me live on the 5th of November at 3 p.m. onwards in the Gapsule event. Gapsule is first of its kind program aimed at discussing the increasing knowledge gap between the pharmaceutical and the healthcare industry. Ever since the first interaction, which happened between the pharmaceutical sales professional and the healthcare professional, the pharmaceutical industry has emerged as a big catalyst in providing the right information, sharing knowledge, and facilitating continuous medical education. However, COVID-19 has proven to be a big disruptor. It threatens to derail the proven practices that facilitate the information exchange between the pharmaceutical and the healthcare industry. The pharmaceutical marketeers today are at the crossroads where they must protect the established practices and find innovative solutions that can address the challenges posed by the pandemic. That's where I believe the Gapsule event plays an important role. So meet you on the 5th of November from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. for the Gapsule. Thank you so much.
I'm Satyajit Bagchi, Senior Manager Marketing at Nestle Health Science. Watch me live on 5th November at 3 p.m. onwards in the Gapsule event. Gapsule is a first-of-its-kind program aimed at discussing the increasing knowledge gap between the pharma and the healthcare industries. Ever since the first interaction happened between a pharma sales professional and a healthcare professional, the pharma industry has emerged as a catalyst for providing information, sharing knowledge, and facilitating continuous medical education. However, COVID-19 has been proving to be a big disruptor. It threatens to derail the proven practices that facilitate the information exchange between the pharma and the healthcare industries. Pharma marketeers are at a crossroad where they must protect established practices and create innovative solutions that can address the challenges posed by the pandemic. That's where I believe the Gapsule event plays an important role. So meet you on 5th November from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Gapsule.